So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some Redbubble shops to help you guys on your journey to building your perfect Redbubble shop. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. If you do happen to be new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on future videos. We've helped a lot of people to make their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And if you are someone who's looking for any extra information, down in the description, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide. And if you're the kind of person who's looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below. Okay, so we're back reviewing more of your shops, guys. I just want to say thank you for everyone that has been submitting their shops. If your shop hasn't been reviewed yet, or if you're new and you want it to be reviewed, there's a link down in the description where you can actually submit your shops. And this week, I'm actually bringing back my coaching calls. I'm going to make 10 available. So if you want to jump into a one-on-one call with me and you want me to talk you through exactly what you need to do to step up your game, make sure to check them out. They'll be linked down in the description. Jumping straight into this is the first store we're going to be looking at. So it's called Direct Shop. So the banner, the logo, all matches. I can see they've kind of got it repeated there, but it works and I like how it looks. This looks to be somewhat of a brand new shop. I'm seeing there's only 16 designs, so they've not, made a crazy amount of designs, so there's definitely work that still needs to be done there. I like the fact that they do have a featured collection and collections just below that as well. It shows that, they're trying to make browsing through their shop fairly easy. And I like the style of design that they're making, but I feel like I'm gonna have to give it a little bit more information as to how they can actually boost themselves through making these kind of designs, but we'll get into that. Before I get to that, I can see the shop only has 2 favorites, so maybe not a lot of people are finding it. This is someone that's obviously still new on the Redbubble journey, probably needs a lot of help, guidance, so I'm going to do my best to kind of help them to figure out what it is they need to do. Now, since there's not a lot of designs, there's not a lot to get into, but I'm noticing that the only product that they're showing as the front image is a t-shirt. For someone who's new, for someone who doesn't quite yet have sales, I always recommend to start off by making stickers your front product images, mainly because stickers are going to entice people to buy more, and once they click on stickers, sometimes people do end up buying other products as well. Now I'm going to click on this design right here, and we're going to talk a little bit about maybe how they can increase their chances of being found in this niche. Now they've titled this "Life is Rottweilers, Gift for Dog Lovers." I can see that this is pretty much activated on 91 products, so not everything. For everything to be activated, this would have to say 94, so there's maybe a couple of other things they can activate there. And for tags, they've added obviously what looks to me to be related tags. I'm not too sure if any of these things are things that people are actively searching for now, and this would mainly fall under the evergreen niche design category. Now what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to search Rottweiler and let's see what pops up. So under Rottweiler, nothing pops up. So what I'll do, I'll search dog to see if anything is trending under dog. So we've got dog camping, dog books and coffee, dog on motorcycle. Now what you could do, you could find a way to make a Rottweiler design that's linked to the motorcycle niche, and then you can put "Life is Rottweilers and motorcycles." Like jumping into a niche like this one, obviously using a Rottweiler like you did just then, will put you in a place that has a lot less competition. As you can see here, dog on motorcycle has 517 results. And the main reason I say that is because if we search Rottweiler, you can see there's 19,000 results. We search Rottweilers, still 19,000 results. So what you want to be doing is looking for those sub niches within the dog niche that you can put your designs in. This is the thing that's going to allow you to step up your game, and this is the thing that's going to allow you to get sales. Next up, we have this shop here. It's called Clothing. Straight off the bat, the banner design, the logo stands out to me. It looks very, very professional. The shop has 49 designs. So once again, on the design side of things, there's still a ways to go here. They have a featured collection at the top, which is good to see, and more collections just below, which is also very good to see. Scrolling through the shop, I can see a variation of products, including a lot of stickers, which is always good to see. And when it comes to stickers, one thing I haven't really mentioned in a while is the importance of sticker packs, especially if you have less than 100 designs. Implementing sticker packs will help. They've only currently got 17 favorites, so they've still got a way to go, but I feel like implementing sticker packs into this style of shop will also help quite a lot. Like I said, the range of products is out there. There's a lot of things going on here, so maybe they need to find what kind of product they want to focus more on most. Best way to do this is to create 25 designs under 4 different main products that you like, and then to see which performs well, and then to move forward with that. I'm going to click on this design here mainly because this is a design I'm pretty sure I spoke about in one of my top 10 trends of the week videos. I like how they've made this design. The only constructive criticism I would give to this is to make sure that the text used is a bit bolder, that it's kind of more in your face. Main reason I say that is because it just allows the design to stand out a lot more. I like what they've done with the images. They're great, but obviously the text could be made to stand out a little bit more. As for the title, they put, I like bear, my cat, and maybe 3 people, as that was the term that was actually trending. They've done a good job there. I can see it's activated on pretty much everything, so they've done a great job with that. And scrolling down to look at the tags, they can definitely do a better job there by implementing other keywords that are similar to what is shown in the title. Obviously not copying the title exactly, but finding other ways to pretty much say what is here in the title with the main keywords that make sense. If anyone is looking for information in regards of how you can do better tags, how you can find the best tags, I have actually made a full video talking about that, and I'll make sure to link that down in the description. Next, we have this shop here, and it's called Sednairo Tenberg. I hope I pronounced that correctly. The banner stands out, you know, with pinks, blues, black, and then the logo is just a picture of, I'm guessing, the person who runs the store. Design wise, I'm seeing 833 designs, which is crazy. A lot of people don't get to that level, so you should give yourself a pat on the back for getting there. I know a lot of hard work happened to get to that point. Nevertheless, there's a featured collection at the top, which is good to see. More collections just below, which seems to be a theme in this video, so it's good to see that you guys are actually making good use of the collections. Going down, I am seeing celebrity based images. Now, I'm not familiar with most of these celebrities besides Jojo. I know Jojo Siwa is someone that's big. You want to be very careful when it comes to these kind of designs, because anytime you implement a celebrity, this could lead to trademark issues in the future. So I would suggest you stay away from celebrity based designs. You focus more on text based. If you are using celebrity based designs, make sure it's mostly linked to political figures, as for whatever reasons, those kind of designs are usually okay to make from what I've seen. The creativity is definitely here from what I can see, and I know some of the older designs, there might be some trademark issues there, so you might want to double check that. Besides that, the look to the shop looks really nice, very colorful, and these are designs that look like they sell on Redbubble. I'm going to be honest here. Now, the 6,377 favorites, which most likely guarantees that she has some sales, at least one sale in there. I mean, that's probably an understatement, but I'm pretty sure that she's got a lot of sales in here. Now, one thing I'm not seeing her taking advantage of is making sticker packs. For a shop this big, there should be at least some sticker packs showing up on the first page. And I mean, for her, the best thing to do would be to look at, you know, designs under a specific niche. For example, with the featured collection, you have schools here. Why not make a sticker pack with some of these designs in one sticker? So maybe 4 of these designs in one sticker to increase your chances of getting sales. I'm gonna click on this design right here, and it says iced coffee. So you had me at iced coffee. I feel like obviously the coffee niche, not even I feel like, I know the coffee niche does really well, and I'm quickly gonna search this before I go through the rest of the things. So iced coffee, nothing's trending under coffee, but if we search coffee, there's all these other things that are trending. Right, so when it comes to coffee, what you want to be doing, especially if you're making a design now, you want to look to see what's trending, and then you want to add that in your tags. Before we get to the tags, I can see she's only got 64 products activated, so definitely more things need to be activated. This number should be 94. Scrolling further down, there's only, what I see, 5 tags. Could definitely add more tags in there. Literally, if you search up coffee on Redbubble, it will show you what's trending, and you want to make sure that is in your old product tags, that you add that in. 800 plus designs is amazing. You don't have to keep working hard anymore. You need to start working smart. You have the information in regards of what sells, what gets favorites. If you're linked up with Google Analytics, you probably know which designs are getting you the most traffic. So now you want to make sure that you're just making more of those, implementing sticker packs, and moving forward, I'm pretty sure you do very well. Next up, we have Jessica Lee 15, and the banner logo, as has been the theme of this video too, looks really good, stands out. It's simplistic yet stands out, which is something that I personally like. There's a featured collection and more collections just below, which is great. Design wise, I'm seeing 464 designs, so another person here who's definitely been putting the time in. And looking at the designs, I'm seeing sticker packs in there, not even just normal sticker packs, dinosaur based sticker packs, which is great to see. Nevertheless, I like how colorful the designs are. I like how they stand out. But one thing they need to make sure they're doing is that they're staying away from trademark based things like Outer Banks. I'm pretty sure this is a Netflix TV show, so you don't want to be putting yourself at risk by making designs like that. Favorites, I'm seeing 52,700 favorites. Now, I'm just gonna take a moment to say, Jessica, you have so much information here to allow your shop to blow up, to probably allow yourself to make more shops. So this is just a quick side note to you to let you know that you need to look into your shop, see which products are selling, which products are doing well, and potentially think on making a niche based store. Mainly because with that amount of favorites, yeah, you can definitely work off that and scale this Redbubble thing to the moon if you want. Nevertheless, besides that, like I said, the designs are great. I like the fact that I'm seeing a lot of stickers in there. She's even started implementing caps. So I'm clicking on this design. So it's titled Pastel Dino. The downside here is that this is only activated on 14 products. Now, I know Jessica's probably thinking it's a sticker pack, I can't just activate it on everything. Well, you can. It's just on certain products, you just need to put the pattern effect on. The pattern effect will allow it to, you know, still work, especially on the bigger things, whether it be shower curtains or, you know, bed covers. The pattern design would definitely help to make a difference. So make sure that that number is not 14, it's 94 and everything's activated. In terms of the tags, we've done a fairly good job with the tags here. I mean, Redbubble suggests 15 tags. That's the only thing I could probably say here. But in terms of the keywords that you've used, the way you've diversified by mixing up popular keywords to the niche that you're in, yeah, it shows that you know what you're doing for the most part in terms of tags, so keep that up. With this kind of store, I mean, the main bit of advice I could give you is to probably look into your data and think of making more Redbubble stores. I know it's a bit of a weird one, reviewing a shop and then telling you to make more, but I really do feel that you've got enough data, Jessica, to have more than one shop here. Next up, we have Hungry or Hangry, I don't even know how you'd say that, but the shop itself has got a uniqueness that you don't see a lot. I like the banner, I like the logo. 397 designs, which is amazing. We have a featured sticker pack collection at the top with more collections just below. This person has obviously established their own personal style in regards of how they make their designs, which is good to see with some of these art pieces that they've put together. I like the fact that they've implemented some niches I've actually spoke about in my top 10 trends videos. When it comes to greetings cards though, you want to make sure in terms of your dimensions, you're using 5,000 by 7,100. That way everything will fit nicely on the greetings card. and you won't have anything getting cut off like here. Besides that, obviously there's a range of products from kids clothing, masks, stickers, which is great to see. I mean, not a lot of people take the information on board that I suggest, and this person has done that to a T, which is great to see. They've got 97 favorites, so they're probably looking to get out there a little bit more, which is understandable. I feel like the reason that people are probably not finding them as much is due to how they go about their keywords. So yeah, we'll quickly have a look into that. I'm going to click on this design here. So the design says not your average big bro, and obviously it's a baby onesie. I'm interested to see firstly what this is activated on. Everything, which is good. It's got a nice little description there. In terms of the tags here, obviously they've got the title in there, which is good to see. One thing I would make sure that they do is that they are making sure to kind of break the title up in other tags. So you may have not your average big bro, and then you can put not your average big bro, and then you can kind of put average big bro, and then natural big bro. Like stuff like that in the tags will help you to pop up under this keyword, because the system will see that you have keywords that are similar but not exactly the same, and this should allow you to rank higher, if that makes sense. But yeah, the design looks great. The shop in itself is really good. I like the way you're implementing the information you see in these videos. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. It's always a pleasure reviewing your shops, so if you want to submit them, don't forget the link is down in the description. I'll also be activating my coaching calls this week, so if you want a one-on-one call with me where I review your shops, obviously the links to that are down in the description as well. But yeah, if you've made it to this point of this video, down in the comment section, comment down, get your designs up. Nevertheless, thank you for watching. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.